Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out how many frames of film are used when you're going to use the double exposure method when filming, and within one 3-second click of the Audible Click function, you can determine how many frames of film are used from beginning to end. Alright, so what you'll need to do first, we're going to do this test at 24 frames per second. Make sure your camera's set at 24. That's what we're going to test this at, but you can of course set your frames per second counter to whatever you wish. Next, make sure that you have some processed film. You can buy this online or find it at a thrift store. You can use this stuff to test your Bolex cameras, so there is a good use for it. And you're going to need a fluorescent marker, such as this. So let's get started. Before you do load your film, make sure the lever arm, the silver lever arm, that is the Audible Click mechanism, is turned down this way, as shown in my pencil, beyond my pencil eraser. That will give you the Audible Click. If you flip it up towards the 0, that will make the click inaudible. You won't be able to hear it. So, make sure this is done. The Audible Click mechanism arm is down this way, and you have pre-wound the camera. Okay everyone, got something very important to show you, but first I've got to remove the pressure plate. I've already loosened it up, make it faster for the video. At the end of my pencil eraser here, up at the top of the screen, notice between the black and the silver part of the Bolex, there is a line, a tiny line. You'll notice that just under that line is the shutter exposure area. Of course it's here, and for those of you who don't know, that's where it is, at the end of my pencil eraser. Keep this in mind, because it's going to be very important in just a moment. Okay, now I've inserted the film, and I'm going to start to jog it through the loop formers and all the way out. I'm not using a take-up spool so you can see everything that's going on. So I'm going to close the loop formers right here just a bit. Jog the film. Okay, so that's enough play right there. Next, I'm going to remove the pressure plate again. So I'm going to speed this up and for the video. Loosened it, put that out of the way. Remember the black line at the top here under my pencil eraser at the top of the screen? And you know under that is the shutter exposure area there. Now, you take your colored marker and just under that, on the celluloid, mark it up and down right there, and you can get all the way down to the clear part of the celluloid where the sprocket holes are. This is going to help you from a starting point to count your frames. Okay, now you can see how I've done that at my pencil eraser. It's fluorescent green. Alright, so next I'm going to reinstall the pressure plate, and we'll jog some more film through. Okay, I've properly reseated the pressure plate again. Everything's locked in. We've marked our starting spot on the celluloid with a green fluorescent marker. Now, with the camera fully wound for about 10 revolutions I have, I'm going to go ahead and press the film button. Listen for the click. The moment I hear the click, I'm going to stop. Alright, I heard the click, so I just stopped. Now, I'm going to remove the pressure plate again and mark it. Okay, I've already started marking with my green fluorescent marker the celluloid for the ending point, repeating the same process we did before. Alright, so as you can see that's done. I'll mark my ending point. Now, what you want to do is remove the film. I'm going to start by using the ejector spool button here. And pull that down so we can see what's going on, of course. These two, when you're doing this, you want to watch out and mind the film claw, front and back. So, I'll pull these back, lift around the sprocket teeth, both sides, pull this back, be careful with the film claw. Alright, now you can see my ending point marked in green. So as you can see right here, this is my ending point in green. Now it's just a matter of counting from ending point to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So there you go, everyone. 39 frames from start to finish. Within one 3-second click of the Audible Click at 24 frames per second in your Bolex. Do contact me up top here at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for any questions. And click the bell and do subscribe. Thanks a lot, everybody, and bye-bye.